I know you blame yourself for your brother. I know the rage you feel. But this is not the way. I'd like to hear about your family, if you'd ever like to teach me.
Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
You see, I know your secret.
She looked innocent.
You're not a bad person.
I walk the
Whatever those
halls
bastards got planned for
invisibly.
you.
I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you.
Kimiko,
You've always
tell me what you know, mon
loved the
cœur.
strange birds
Mon
that
cœur?
I want to
You don't deserve it, mon cœur. Look at you, mon cœur. Come with me, mon cœur. Bonjour, Kimiko. I think we should let her go. Tell them who you are. Tell them what I see. It wasn't your fault. What makes you think I want to be let off the hook? So I know what it's like to want to go home. Let me help you go home. You give me a nod and we go to the airport right now. Go be a monster. She wasn't ill, I wanted to help. Let me help you. Just wanna help her. She saved my life! She's not bad! Now we're the same, you and I. You are a miracle, Kimiko. Look at me. I think you understand me. She talked to me. I do not understand. It's in your eyes.
I don't understand what you're saying because you won't teach me.
Done?
You think that by saving her,
Oh, yeah?
you can make amends?
I was trying to save you.
Mon cœur,
Gentle.
mon cœur, please.
You will not survive.
Let's go. No, Frenchie. Forget it, mate. She's fucked. No.
Okay. I thought if I did somehow that would make up for the things I've done.
Kimiko! Let's go home.
You never asked to be saved.
Of course I dance. What is the point of life without dancing?
If there's one thing I know, is that you can take care of yourself.
You've always loved the
So when the time comes,
inside.
you'll know what to do.
The ugly pretty.